for Outstanding Civic Leader, Ms. Benelin Amigo Molina, President, Aura Group of Companies. She is the owner and founder of Amigo Molina Trading Company, and also the CEO and founder of Aura Beauty and Wellness.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele. Given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys.
Nagpapasalamat po ako unang-una sa ating may kapal at sa award na ito. Salamat po Attorney Persida, sa buong PAO office, sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa Aura team at sa lahat po na nagmamahal at naniniwala sa advokasya namin. Umasa po kayo na mas gagalingan pa po namin at pagsusumikapan na maitaguyod ang ikabubuti ng sambayanan. Marami pong salamat.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, Ms. Benelin Amigo Molina, President, Aura Group of Companies.